provinces, two PNP draws, Manitoba and New Brunswick invite skilled workers. Canada's provincial immigration programs are ending the year on a strong note. And today we have two important PNP updates, one from Manitoba and another from New Brunswick. Both provinces have issued fresh invitations, with a clear focus on in-demand workers and francophone candidates. Let's start with Manitoba. On 18 December 2025, the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program issued 63 letters of advice to apply under its skilled worker stream. These invitations went to candidates inside Manitoba as well as overseas applicants, but only those who were directly invited through strategic recruitment initiatives. What's interesting here is how Manitoba distributed these invitations. The largest share went to francophone candidates, followed by workers already employed in Manitoba and candidates supported under a special temporary public policy tied to work permits. A smaller number were also selected through regional community initiatives, showing Manitoba's continued effort to support immigration outside Winnipeg. Another important point, 8 of these candidates already had express entry profiles, which means Manitoba continues to use PNP as a strong pathway into express entry-linked permanent residence. Manitoba has also officially closed its acceptance of new work permit support letters under this temporary public policy after 16 December, making this one of the final draws under that framework. Now let's move to New Brunswick. After a short pause, New Brunswick resumed PNP invitations on 9 December, issuing 110 invitations to apply across its express entry and skilled worker streams. This was the province's first draw of December, and it came with a very clear priority: francophone applicants across all occupations. Most invitations were issued to candidates already working in New Brunswick or graduates from New Brunswick institutions, reinforcing the province's preference for people who are already living, studying, or contributing locally. New Brunswick has also confirmed that all applications linked to this draw will be processed in 2026, which is important for candidates to keep expectations realistic around timelines. Conclusion: taken together, these two draws send a strong message. Provinces are continuing to prioritize French-speaking candidates, in-province workers, and employer-backed profiles, even as nomination spaces remain limited. If you're working in Canada, have provincial ties, or strong French language skills, PNP pathways continue to be one of the most reliable routes to permanent residence as we head into 2026. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.